Hello, I am Rahul Agarwal, Managing Director at Prestech Forgings and Engineering Private Limited. We are experts in the manufacturing of hot forged products. In our 11 years of existence, we have produced over 1.25 crore units in 95 variants. We have contributed to 45 customers in generating a revenue of rupees 1,21,000 crores. Out of our 45 clients, 11 are OEMs and 34 are Tier 1 to OEMs. Some of our top clients are OEM like Tractor and Farm Equipments, Ashok Leyland, Doosan Bobcat, and Defense Sector. We have also contributed to OEMs like Royal Enfield, Tata Motors, Volvo India, Eicher India, Same Dosh Fahar, Born Figluloli through Tier 1 suppliers like Axles India, Sundram Fasteners, Dana India, to name a few. Vehicles fitted with our products are being sold in 101 plus countries, and we have helped one of our clients save and make additional profits of rupees 4.87 crores. We have an installed capacity of 5,000 metric tons per annum and a team strength of 103. The combined experience of our production team is 2,49,600 hours, while 81,700 hours is the combined experience of our quality team. For any further queries, please click the link in the description box below or call us now. Thank you.